In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an SMS campaign in Zoho. So with Zoho campaigns, you can send targeted SMS messages to your customers and keep them engaged. So let's get started. So first, make sure you are on the official website of Zoho campaigns and then sign in with your Zoho account and navigate to the SMS campaign sections. Now, click on the settings and then SMS gateway. Then choose an SMS service provider like Twilio, ClickTele, MessageBird, and so on. And then enter the API key and credentials from your SMS provider. And then click Save and Authenticate to complete the setup. And now you can go to the SMS campaigns again and then create a campaign and then enter a campaign name and select a contact list for your recipients. And then click Next to proceed. And then write your message within the 160 character limit. Keep it clear and concise, and then use merge tags to personalize the message like hello and then their first name, and then check out our latest offers and then add a shortened link if you want to track clicks. And then set a sender ID if supported by your SMS gateway, and then choose between immediate sending or schedule it for later, and enable opt-out options to comply with SMS regulations, and then click preview and test to check your message if everything looks good. And that's it. That's how you set up an SMS campaign in Zoho. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.